Hey guys, me again today. I'm just going to share a quick tutorial of different things that I love using with Play-doh. I have got Play-Dohs, and I'm going to show you how amazing Play-Doh works with some amazing things. So I have green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and like an orange sort of colour, an orange yellow colour, sorry, purple Play-Doh, and a bright orange colour. So I have a Play-Doh cutters. I have a sort of crocodile, duck, a green duck, crocodile, dolphin, cow, bunny, giraffe, and a good looking little, I'm gonna say it's a, what are those things called with the big drum? It's an elephant. So I'm gonna start with green, then I'm gonna go to blue, then I'm gonna go to the orange, yellow, then I'm gonna go to purple, then I'm gonna go bright orange. So with the bright orange, I'm gonna use it for the cow. So I'm going to open up that bright orange, open it up, push out that Play-Doh, get my cow, push it in. Excellent. Perfect cow that was. What a cow. How mad. What a cow. So that was perfect cow, cookie cutter. It was perfect cow. Now I'm going to use green for the duck. So I've got my green cookie cutter. I'm going to open up this. Alright. I'm going to grab some out. Push that in there. What a duck. That duck kind of like swerved out a little bit, so I'm going to push it back into place if you want that ducky today. That ducky looks like it's swimming. Swim away, ducky. Now I'm going to use the blue for a crocodile. So where's my crocodile? Here's my crocodile. Take out my blue. I'm going to squish that crocodile in there. Pop it out. Perfect. Perfect crocodile. Now I'm going to use the yellow orange for two characters. It's going to be the elephant and the rabbit. I'm going to do the rabbit. Now with the rabbit, I'm going to sort of like try and bend that ear. See there? I've just bent that ear down. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the elephant.
Introducing Australia's 4x4 of the year, the Ford Everest Trend.
I'm just going to pull it out. Now with the trunk, I'm going to not really bend it, but sort of like pat it down. Like that. I'm going to put some excess back in this container. Can't lose any. So now I'm going to use the purple for a giraffe and a dolphin. Alright, so the giraffe and the dolphin did come out pretty good. But I want a more secure dolphin. So now I'm just going to cut out the dolphin. This dolphin. Okay, take away the cookies. And now I have a dolphin. Yeah. The dolphin, I'm just going to pat her nose down. I'm going to make it like it was actually swimming. So I need to bend her tail down. I need to touch the glass. So that's our dolphin. Now I'm going to cut out our wonderful giraffe. Alrighty, now there we have our amazing cookie cutters. Now I'm going to show you what they are, what they look like. So here's a ducky. Here's a cow, the orange cow. And here's a blue crocodile. Can't show it properly. Crocodile. Now for our cute little teardrop runner. Look how Bunny looks so cute. A bunny, an elephant, dolphin, they don't like staying on me, do they, today? That is annoying. I'm going to just stick on my shirt. And that was our giraffe. Now guys, thank you for watching my video today, and please subscribe down below, leave a comment down below, and put a thumbs up down below. And I hope you request some more videos, some more challenges. I'd like to see a challenge, if you could, down below in the description box down below. Minai Musarik Waitford, could you please subscribe as well? Bye.